Ready for ghosts, aliens, and high school romance all at once? Dandadan is the wild ride you didn't know you needed. Let's dive into the supernatural madness that's taking the anime world by storm. Meet Momo and Okarun. Created by Yukinabu Tatsu and brought to life by Science Saru, their story starts with a simple bet about what's real. Spoiler alert, they were both right and things get weird fast. Momo isn't your average high schooler. Raised by a medium, she's got the grit and the psychic giant hands to smack down any spirit or alien that gets in her way. Talk about girl power. Poor Okarun just wanted to find aliens, but he ended up cursed by a turbo granny. Now he can transform into a super fast powerhouse, even if he's still looking for his, spiritual essentials. It all started with a classic argument, Team Ghosts versus Team Aliens. They made a bet to prove each other wrong, but they ended up proving that the world is much scarier than they thought. Season 1 is a race against time. Momo and Okarun have to team up to fight off creepy Serpoians and reclaim Okarun's missing parts. It's a hilarious and high-stakes introduction to their bizarre new life. In Season 2, the family grows. We meet Gigi, but with new friends come new problems like the terrifying evil eye. Okarun has to step up and truly master his cursed speed to keep everyone safe. Director Fuga Yamashiro made sure this show looks like nothing else. Science Saru uses everyday action to make the quiet moments feel just as real and impactful as the giant monster battles. It's pure eye candy. Are you a film nerd? You'll love the Easter eggs. From Godzilla-sized threats to Star Wars-style spaceships, Dandadan is basically a love letter to all things sci-fi and monster-related. Keep your eyes peeled. After every battle, it's time to eat. Tatsu believes hard workers deserve a good meal. These Ghibli-inspired scenes aren't just filler, they're about healing and bonding. Beneath the ghosts and aliens, there's a super sweet story. Momo and Okarun are total opposites, but watching them slowly fall for each other while fighting for their lives is honestly the best part. You can't talk about Dandadan without mentioning the bops. Kensuke Oshio's score and those infectious openings by Creepy Nuts and Ahina the end will have you dancing while you watch. Turn it up. The monsters aren't just scary, they're deep. Inspired by Japanese horror classics, the show gives its ghosts tragic pasts that might actually make you feel for them. It's spooky, but with a surprising amount of heart. Critics love it, and fans can't get enough. With a perfect score on Rotten Tomatoes and a third season officially on the horizon for 2027, the Dandadan hype train is just getting started. So why are we obsessed? Because these monsters are metaphors for our own adolescent anxieties. For every overthinker, Dandadan shows that agency and a shared meal can be the ultimate weapons against the chaos of growing up. Thanks for joining our investigation. Do you relate to Momo's shield or Okarun's anxiety? Let us know in the comments, and subscribe for more deep dives and Season 3 updates.